my darling. What if I told you that you could make something as ordinary as ice glow in the dark? Not with any fancy paints or chemicals, but just by giving it a good smash. That's right! Today we're diving into the super cool and most magical world of fractoluminescence. Get ready to see ice light up! But before we make things glow, if you think that sounds awesome, please go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel for more mind-bending science, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our glowing discoveries. Your support helps me bring more exciting science right to you. So, what exactly is fractoluminescence? Well, the fancy word just means light from breaking. Think about it like this. When certain special materials, especially crystals, get broken or crushed really fast, they emit a tiny flash of light. It's as if the material itself is saying, ouch, with a hint of sparkle. How does this even work? It's all about electricity on a super tiny scale. Imagine when you rub a balloon on your hair and it makes your hair stand up, right? That's static electricity. You're separating positive and negative charges. When you break a crystal, like ice, it can happen similarly. The sudden violent fracture causes a super quick separation of positive and negative electrical charges along the new surfaces that are created. For a split second, these charges are all out of whack. Then, almost immediately, these separated charges try to snap back together to balance things out. And when they do that, just like a tiny mini lightning bolt, they release a burst of energy. This energy comes out as a flash of light. That's the glow you see. It's super fast, super tiny, but absolutely real. It's like the material is literally getting an electrical shock and briefly flashing in response. Pretty wild, right? Alright, theory time is over. So who's ready to make some magic happen in their own dark room? Let's do a little science experiment and see fractoluminescence with our own eyes. Here's what you'll need for this super cool glowing ice trick. Dry ice. This is the most important ingredient. You can often find it at grocery stores or specialty ice shops. Remember, it's super cold, so handle with care. Never touch dry ice with your bare hands. A completely dark room. The darker the better. You'll need true darkness to see the faint flashes. A hammer or a heavy, sturdy object. Something you can use to give the dry ice a good, quick whack. A thick towel or cloth to place under the dry ice to protect your surface. Okay, got all your gear? Awesome! Here are the steps. Prep your space. Head into your darkest room and make sure there are absolutely no lights on. Your eyes will need a few minutes to adjust to the darkness. Safety first. Using your tongs, carefully place a small chunk of dry ice on a thick towel or cloth on a sturdy, hard surface like a concrete floor or a very robust countertop. Do not put it on anything delicate. Get ready to smash. Hold the hammer or heavy object above the dry ice. In the total darkness, quickly and forcefully hit the dry ice with the hammer. Make sure you smash it well. Watch closely. If you do it right, you should see a quick, faint flash or spark of light right at the moment of impact. It might be a quick blue or white glow. And remember, always handle dry ice safely. It can give you frostbite in seconds. But with the right precautions, you've just made ice glow, all thanks to the amazing science of fractoluminescence. How cool is that? You can watch even more of our lovely videos here.
We're going to be launching the new Weather Channel. You'll be seeing more weather news and getting your regional information when you need it most for everything you do.